I can't see you.
Yeah, he gets hiccups a lot. I don't think he's gonna be as hairy as Melanie or Gabe was, but I didn't have as much heartburn with him.
Do you like watching a scary movie?